etong kontrata sa Busan. 3.8 billion was awarded to another. I don't even know why they call it a Busan contract, because Busan only owns 4% of this company. The 96% is owned by Filipino companies who are in agriculture, plumbing, trading, and other industries which are non-related to rail. These other companies, Filipino companies, were allowed to bag a 3.8 billion contract without any experience in rail. They own 96% of this contract. Busan merely owns 4%. So the big question is, why was this negotiated, not bidded? Negotiated in secret even. This came out in the Congress. I was there during a traffic meet when the chairperson of Congress, si Chair Castelo, asked the OTC, who are these people you are talking to about the 3.8 billion contract? Ang saguto ng DOTC dito confidential, secret. To which, of course, the whole Congress was aghast, no, as to why there is secret talks with a private company owned 96% by Philippine companies with no experience in rail. So yan ang malaking question, at sa ngayon, they have awarded it to this company without the benefit of bidding. And of course, last, ang sabi nila, emergency. There is no emergency because the very same issues and awards to the Busan company were already raised by Sumitomo as early as 2012.